Good night, everyone. Today we are going to compare old and modern technology devices. I will talk about smartphones.
And while comparing laptops, technology has changed significantly every years and we are excited to share some interesting differences with you.
Let's start with the smartphones. I choose an old mobile phone from the early 2000 and a modern smartphone. At first glance, the modern smartphone is smart, thinner, lighter, and more elegant than the old phone.
I can see that the design definitely more attractive. What about the screen?
The screen of the modern smartphone is much larger and brighter. It also has a higher resolution, so the images are clearer and more colorful than those on the old phone.
That's a big improvement. What functions does the whole phone have?
The old phone was mainly used for making calls and sending text messages. In contrast, and the modern smartphone is far more versatile because it allows users to browse the internet, take professional quality photos, participate in online classes, make video calls, and enjoy listening to music.
Modern smartphones are small like mini computers.
Exactly. There are also smarter and faster. For example, people can use artificial intelligence application online, baking services, and GPS navigation system. These features make daily life much easier.
That's true. However, are modern smartphones more expensive?
Yes, there are. A modern smartphone is usually more expensive than an old mobile phone. However, it provides many more benefits and functions. In my opinion, the extra cost is justified because it helps people to work, study, and communicate more efficiently.
I agree. Not I would like to compare all modern laptops. I selected a laptop from 2005 and a laptop from 2026.
Great. And what differences did you notice?
There is differences in the weight. The modern laptop is considerably lighter and thinner than the old one. Older laptops were bulky and difficult to carry, while modern laptops are designed to be portable and converted.
That is very useful for students and professionals.
Absolutely. Another important difference is performance. The modern laptops is much faster, more powerful, and more efficient. It can I can process information quickly and run multiple programs in the same time with both experiencing serious problems.
So, multitasking is easier now.
Definitely, modern laptops are better for studying, working, and creating content. They allow users to edit videos, design presentation, and take virtual meeting, and store large amounts of information.
How about battery life?
The battery life of modern laptops is significantly longer. Some modern devices can last more than 10 hours without charging, while older laptops needing frequent charging.
Okay, that's impressive. Are modern laptops also more environmentally friendly?
In many cases, yes. Modern laptops are generally more energy efficient and consume less electricity than older models. Manufacturers are also trying to use better materials and reduce electronic waste.
That's an important advantage. Nowadays, technology not only focuses on performance, but also on sustainability.
Exactly. Another difference is storage capacity. Modern laptops have larger and faster storage systems, allowing users to save thousands of documents, photos, and videos.
After comparing these devices, I think modern technology has transformed the way people communicate and learn.
I completely agree. Modern smartphones and laptops are more advanced, more practical, and more efficient than their older versions.
However, older devices had some advantages too. They were often more durable and simpler to use because they have fewer functions.
That's a good point. Even so, modern technology offers more opportunities for education, business, entertainment, and global communications.
In conclusion, technology devices have improved greatly over time, becoming faster, smarter, and more useful.
We believe that future devices will be ever more innovative and efficient than the ones we use today.
Thank you very much for your attention.
We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Have a wonderful day.